Whoa. You just became my hero. Failures. You just now became.
No, it doesn't.
Jacob. He finds all these matches, but they're all just like playing.
You do that? No.
Jacob, just no.
Wait, stop, wait.
Look at that. Super fast.
Okay, can you stop?
Okay, can you stop matching?
Wait.
Such fails. We're just gonna keep that around forever. Whoa.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it, Jacob. These are my favorites.
This is what I'm talking about, too big to handle.
Too big to handle.
Stop.
Wait, is this your
Pockets in there?
No, never mind. I thought there was. I was like, cool.
We can have city shirts. Shirts with cities on them.
Yeah, this is our city shirt.
Alright.
Wait, didn't we? Wait. Oh no, we did trade after the mirror. I was like,
Yeah.
how did I end up with this one? I'm turning around. I'm scared. Oh god. It's about to get daring.
Where are your shirts? Did you pick out like ones like these? Get the leather ones. Get the zebra ones.
Come on, Jacob.
Yeah,
Choose one. Jacob, you gotta follow through. This is yours. What? No, Jacob. That's just.
They're stretchy.
Maybe. Oh. Well, there. Yuck.
Yeah.
Here we go. Some freaking tidy whities.
How about those ones?
Jacob, you gotta get more daring. You
Now get
can't.
creative, okay?
Yeah.
God.
Now it's time to get creative.
Now it's still time to get creative.
Definitely. No granny panties. No granny panties. We are not going with. Whoa.
Remember those ones? I think that.
Oh. Well.
Remember, I can see you in something like this peach color right here. I think this is simply your color.
Let's find out.
Let's find out. It's your,
Whoa, look how bright my skin.
I know.
You're recording this.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Don't touch Jacob. Oh,
I've been recording for about 2 minutes.
that's not your size.
It's not my size. Breast is too small.
He's like, my milk.
And then this guy looking in the guys section. What are you doing? We don't have time for this.
No, we don't make that happen.
Here, this.
Put down here and
Well, they've all. Oh.
oh, no, that's you.
No, I think the peach is me.
Yeah, I like this one.
I don't know, but I'm not trying this one. Oh, there's Jacob's.
Yeah, oh, he's the kind of gal I'd marry. Going every single way.
If he wore those, it's like okay, then no.
Lego Batman.
Did you just say Lego Batman? Lego Batman.
Sure, you should get this one.
Oh, I thought you were going to say.
I want the creeper one. Yeah,
I know. Oh my god, I want this jacket. It's like
oh,
really
it's Metal
comfortable.
Militia.
Yeah, it's really comfortable.
It's Metal Militia.
Are you freaking kidding? Oh my god, buy it for me.
It's on your
Someone buy it
bicep.
for me.
Okay, we're hanging up our pictures. I mean, whoa, I like this. It's Element. It's actually kind of cool. I like that shit.
Oh, it's too big for me.
I'm scared. Kiss me. I have one that zips up all the way, but it's really small and tight.
Okay, I want this.
Makes my breasts look big. Now you look like you're wearing a dress that zips up from the front.
Would this fit? Jacob, you're. I want this. Like seriously, how much is it?
It's right here. It's right here.
$30.
This guy.
Are you sure that's the Ross price?
Actually, yeah. I was pretty sure. It's $28.99, not
Pair at
30.
70. So.
I have one at my house. It's super tight though. Like it makes my breasts show.
I like how that's what you think about.
Perfect timing. Breasts. If this goes on YouTube, I'm gonna stab you.
I'm gonna stab you.
Because this is not a part of our Gateway Adventures. Not
It
yet.
is, though.
We gotta
It
get a
is.
film crew first.
No, because that costs money.
That costs money. Okay, we need to like.
That was like 3 times the fail.
Oh, God.
What?
doing? This girl.
This girl.
What are you doing? I don't think it's ever gonna hang back up.
Get me out a little bit, bro.
Okay, I'll hold
Bro
it. You
dad.
zip it.
Are you bro dad?
You didn't go see the favor I did for Trevor down, did you?
We zipped up a jacket together.
Stop.
This guy. Kumbaya. Start playing Kumbaya off my chest.
I'm gonna make sure to make another channel just so you can't. Just so you don't know if I
I'm gonna
uploaded
flag
or
it.
not.
'Cause today was not the day to get creative right now, Derek.
Oh,
This is the day to be creative. Full body scan.
Full body scan. He has like a scanner.
Approved.
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 Oh, yours is
You got
blue?
pink. Yeah, you get the pink tones, I get the blue tones. Works, right?
My mom's gonna kill me if she finds out I'm wearing these type of jeans.
These are mine, right? That's your size. I know it.
You're like poking out.
I do.
That's weird. I'm scared. I'm no longer part of this. Oh, here you go. This one actually would look
I
good.
find it at.
Definitely. That is you.
It's the yellow.
This is love.
love.
That's a good picture. Or picture. That's a good picture.
good
I was
picture.
gonna say something about a picture I saw today, but I can't remember what the picture is now. So,
It would fit me as like a belly shirt.
yeah, my sister had to buy a bunch of those because she got her belly button pierced. Yeah, that's what I said. I was like, so she had to go out and buy it. She spent like $30 on like.
If she wasn't your sister, you'd totally be like,
What?
what? If she wasn't your sister, you'd totally think that's hot.
No, I wouldn't.
I think you would.
Not my sister. She's not on.
No, I mean the belly button.
No, I don't know. I don't really like piercings. Though. I think ears are fine. I think ears are fine, but other than that, it's kind of.
What did you say?
What? What'd you say? What'd you say?
What did you say?
You're just gonna have to rewatch the video when it's over.
What did you say?
God, that was messed up, Jacob. That was messed up.
I think he was too quiet to hear it though.
Oh. Is that why he has a hickey on his weenus?
Okay, that wasn't too quiet.
Nah.
Okay, let's end that one.
It's the end of that one.
Should
Alright.
we?